Hey friends, if you wish to install and use Tor Browser on your Windows 11 computer, then please watch this video. Now, interestingly, I tried searching for the Tor Browser on the Microsoft Store. So I'll show you. I'll open the Microsoft Store and I'll try and search for Tor. We get nothing in the results. And why are we not getting anything in the results? Because Microsoft Store will not allow the Tor Browser. So it's easy. Open a Microsoft Edge and in the search bar, in the Bing search bar, search for Tor download. Now you'll get this download button here, and I always prefer this because it will redirect you to the correct and the most authentic website. And now you can click on this option to download it for Windows. An exe file will be downloaded and you can click on it. Once you click on it, it will start installing, first downloading and then uninstalling the Tor browser on your system. The Tor browser is actually an excellent tool. You will not be detected when you use the Tor browser for accessing the web. It usually uses a proxy system which shows that the data center is in a university in the United States of America. If you're using the American server. Now I'll click on OK. I'll click on install and it will start installing the Tor browser. It will need a while for setting up the Tor browser, and once it does, you can simply click on finish and the Tor browser will be installed on your system. Just let me show you. Click on finish and the Tor browser will be launched in a while. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel, and if not, then let us know in the comment section of this video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.